Hey guys, today we're unboxing LB-Link's WN6500B Wi-Fi 7 adapter, your ultimate speed upgrade. Check this out. Tri-band support hits blazing 2882 Mbps speeds with a powerful 3D BE antenna for maximum coverage. Super easy setup with USB 3.0, works flawlessly with Windows and Linux, plus military-grade WPA3 security. Gaming, 4000 streaming, remote work, this adapter does it all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plug the wireless adapter into the USB port of the computer. After connecting, open this PC, and a new USB drive will be added here, which is the driver for the adapter. Double-click to open it to install the driver, and keep the default path for installation. After installing the driver, an additional WLAN adapter will appear here. Here we connect these two wireless adapters to the same Wi-Fi signal Wi-Fi 7 router. Let's compare its connection speed with the built-in wireless adapter of the laptop. For the wireless adapter with 2T2R Wi-Fi 5 that comes with the computer, after connecting to Wi-Fi 7, the connection rate here is 867 Mbps. When using this AX Wi-Fi 7 wireless adapter, after connecting to Wi-Fi 7, the maximum connection rate can reach 2.8 GB per second. Using a Wi-Fi 7 wireless adapter to connect to a Wi-Fi 7 router offers higher connection speeds and greater advantages.